Australian coal mine called in AESSEAL to help solve a major problem with the water slurry disposal pumps. The aggressive environment was resulting in seal failures on the disposal pumps every 2 months on average. Downtime to replace the seals and damaged bearings meant safety risks, loss of production, and an annual pump maintenance bill topping $750,000 US, 1.1 million Australian dollars. AESSEAL installed heavy-duty slurry seals and AESSEAL's SW2 water management system. This has extended the operational period between repair and maintenance 5 times longer than the previous OEM system, and delivered a more reliable, safer, and environmentally friendly operation. The customer has also saved $5 million US, 8 million Australian dollars to date on reduced maintenance alone. When the going gets tough, call AESSEAL.